आज दिल गुस्ताख है, पानियों में आग है, धड़कन भी बेदाब है, चल चल शरारती सांसों में सैलाब है, क्या सुरीला ख्वाब है, धड़कन भी बेताब है, चल चल शरारती.
Why it is unusual? He's an actor, I'm an actor, an actor can't meet an actor. It's a very simple thing. Why do you make it so this thing about it? We visit every time. It's not the first time that we are visiting each other.
And action.
So this whole thing is about Blue, not me and Shah Rukh Khan.
Well, this is the title track. It's Blue, the theme. It's the soul of the film. It gives you what kind of pace this film is, what rhythm it's chosen to adapt to, and of course, it's always nice to have a theme song where everybody is kind of really coming together and creating the excitement and the buzz for this film.
मैं समझा तो मैं एक्टर हूँ. Okay, but still चलेगा. आपने स्टंटमैन बुलाया, कोई बात नहीं. मैं तो किसी बात का बुरा नहीं मान रहा हूँ. आपकी बात सर आंखों पर. Because to be a stuntman, you have to be very, very highly qualified. So being called that, I take it as a compliment, absolutely. And about the song, गाने में ऐसा है कि ये जो टाइटल गाना है, it's basically a dance called Krang. It's a very manly kind of dance. So that's what the Ahmed has decided to treat it with. So उसके अंदर ये jumping बहुत ज़रूरी था, और मैं इतना ऊंचा उड़ नहीं सकता unless until I take the support of trampoline. So that's it.
Akshay तो बहुत ही amazing आदमी है. Akshay has been tremendously supportive, and I think action के तौर पे तो you can't really argue कि he's one of the best out there. He's very mentally, physically fit.
When I heard the song for the first time, they came over to me. Tony asked me to ये गाना तो करना ही है मुझे. तो they were saying हम लोगों ने प्लान नहीं किया शूट करने के लिए. तो ऐसे अभी प्लान कर लो, तो ये मुझे शूट करना है. And it's very nice of Tony and the producers and all the artists that they said, okay fine Ahmed, if you want to shoot, we'll do it.
नहीं, लारा भी है, जाहिद भी है, दत्सा भी है. अब फिलहाल मेरा ही है, चल रहा है सब.
Well, this is called a trampoline, and I've tried this out many times before in many songs. But yeah, ज़रूरत थी because you want to do extremely high speed, like slow motion shots. So we had Akshay flying up in the air and shoot him. तो उसके लिए इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ी. तो that's why he started.
जी, मेरा डांस तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि more like an aerobics होता है. तो मैं अपने आप को डांसर नहीं मानता.
Akshay, as a dancer, you know him. He's been working since past 15-20 years, and we all know his dancing skills and we know his stunt skills also. So in this song, we're using both. Not that we're doing a lot of acrobats and all that, but jump करेगा trampoline पे, और डांसर्स के बीच में डांस करेगा. बॉडी रिग्स यूज़ किए हैं. बहुत टेक्निकलिटी में थोड़ा हमने एक अलग स्पेस यूज़ किया है इसमें. So you'll see Akshay in a very different form in this song, and he's looking younger too.
See, for me, Blue is not a film. It's an adventure, thrill, fun, frolic. I have enjoyed working in this. नहीं, ये नकली है. इसका कोई महत्व है इस फिल्म के अंदर, इसीलिए पहना हुआ है. ना कि हर फिल्म का मैं टैटू लगा के घूमता हूँ. Isn't it stylish? I'm so glad that you said that. I meet sometimes people, they say, some of my producers say, अक्षय वो काला कर लो, ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता है. लड़कियां क्या सोचेंगी कि ये ग्रे हो गया, तो क्या हो गया? What is so big about it, यार? Fine, everybody is aging. How old are you? She's not telling me. Okay, sorry.
Oh, no, not at all. Yeah, these are all rumors going around. Actually, this film is an entire team performance. This is the kind of film that really is a big milestone for India, because I don't think anything like this has ever been done before. And for us to be part and work in a cohesive team effort was very important. So I'm actually really happy with the way everything has turned out. You can see lavish sets and lovely people to work with. So yeah, I'm a happy man.
I had to lose, shed a lot of weight also. I had become about what I am today. I was 4 kilos less than this. So that I had to undergo that. That was quite a heavy task to, remove 4 kilos out of your body. It was quite a heavy task.
Thanks to my director, Mr. Anthony. Ahmed, let's not have everybody together.
let's have them individually separate. So that's like taking my entire pressure off. It's not like somebody's waiting, somebody's coming, who's in the center, who's in the side, who's dancing better, who cannot do this movement, we have to change the movement for one guy. So I'm out of that. So eventually I'm doing everybody individually, और बहुत ही comfortably the whole shooting has been going through. Like the previous song we finished similarly, और ये गाना भी लारा का काम खत्म हो गया, अक्षय का काम खत्म हो गया, now we're starting with Zahid.
Well, I already painted it red. Let's see how blue looks. My fourth coming now is blue, and then of course another film I've just done called Sharafat Gayi Tel Lene, which is a comedy film. It should be out in January.